Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how you can actually connect Jobber to QuickBooks and how the whole process works and how the integrations work. So primarily in the moment when you're going to be in Jobber, how you're going to do it, you want to go on the bottom left where you're going to find applications. And when you're going to be in applications, you're going to find right here, you're going to find QuickBooks Online. And then you're going to find Connect here. And look at that. So QuickBooks Online integration was to connect to your Jobber account for company information, admin settings, team member information, Jobber workflow information, and finance information here. And I can allow access here. So look at that. So seamless import clients and product services from QuickBooks Online to Jobber. Okay. And then you're going to have like all the signing in. And when you're going to sign in, I don't know why it's not working right now. Okay. So you're going to have a code here. So I just like need to log in. Okay, when you're going to have a code here, you're going to have continue. And okay. Create a company. Connect. It's pretty straightforward and easy. Continue. Start import. And view details. And look what we got here. Product and service imported. Okay. And this is the same activity that we have right now. So this is something that you can do also for yourself. And it's going to work out. So thank you very much guys for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.